Hello, Muraho. This is Denise again, Kinyarwanda teacher. I'm back here to explain all my books. As I have explained before, I have 4 levels. I teach from level 1, 2, 3, 4. I teach from level 1 to 4, and all levels they have different hours. So I am here to explain those. The lessons that we have in those books and how long it takes. So as we have seen that level 1 takes 20 hours, so I'm here to explain level 2. This is level 2, my book. So as you see, it's a little bit bigger than the first one. So this takes 30 hours. This takes 30 hours to finish. That means there are 30 lessons. So it's a little bit bigger because there are more vocabulary, there are more phrases, and there are also the grammar. So as you can see, the book is Conversational Kinyarwanda course, level 2, vocabulary plus basic grammar. So that means we cover the basic grammar in this book. So we have different units. We have 6 units in this book, which means that we have family. That's unit 1. We cover the family. We talk about family relationship, and we learn the terms and the phrases that we use when we talk about our family members. Then we talk about people in general. We learn the vocabulary about the people. And we learn also the noun classes. What we call noun classes mean all the nouns in Kinyarwanda, they belong in different classes. So in this book, we are going to cover all the groups of those nouns. So that means unit 1, we cover the group 1. Unit 2, we cover body part. So we need to learn the body part. So we learn the body part, and we learn also the phrases that we need to use when we need to go to the hospital or to go to the health facilities. That's unit 2. And then we cover also, those are the just themes, let's say themes. So the unit 3, as the theme 3, we cover animals, farm animals, domestic animals, pets. So all those vocabulary we learn them in unit 3. And it's also covering the different grammar structure. So we learn conjugation of verbs, and we learn also some possessives, and we learn a little bit about the grammar. And then we also learn the group 3. And then unit 4, we cover house items, so different materials that we have in the house, and we cover the clothes, we cover the colors, and we cover the cleaning verbs that we need to use when we do house items. And then there will be also the group 4 of the nouns. And then we cover adjectives in that unit. Unit 5, we cover weather, and we talk about the phrases that we need when we want to have a conversation talking about the weather. And we talk about the farm, and we talk about agriculture. So, and then we also learn tenses. We learn past tense. And in the previous lesson we learn different tenses, but unit 5 we learn past tense. And then unit 6, that's where we cover entertainment, games, sport, and holidays. So we know that people like to talk about holidays, so we cover the vocabulary that we need to talk about holidays, sport, and entertainment. And that unit also we cover different groups of nouns, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we put all them in this book. So when you finish this book, you have intermediate level. Means like all the groups, all the levels, they go step by step. Means you finish level 1, you have basic level in Kinyarwanda. And when you start this, you have basic, but when you finish, you have intermediate. So in this, when you finish this, you're expected to be able to have a full conversation, and you're expected to have, you are able to read stories. You can write small stories. You can write about the family. You can write about the weather. You can write about your country. So you're able to write stories, and you're able to read short stories, and you're also able to understand some audio files or some videos, some film, movies in Kinyarwanda. You have the intermediate level. And when you finish level 3, level 2, excuse me. When you finish level 2, you go to level 3. So that means from level 1 to this is level 2. After this, you do level 3. And in the next video, I will explain level 3. Thank you.